Thank you for calling Unity Point Health, Marshalltown, where the point of unity is you. We'll be with you as soon as possible. Thank you for your patience. Looking for a doctor that can provide you and your family with exceptional care? Let us help. Visit our website for a list of providers welcoming new patients. Be sure to watch the provider introduction videos at marshalltown.unitypoint.org/physician_directory.
Hi, and welcome to FSB. We'll be right with you. If you enjoy banking with FSB, and we certainly hope you do, chances are your friends would enjoy banking with us as well. When you refer a friend to FSB and they open a checking account with either a direct deposit to their account, an automatic withdrawal from their account, or they choose e-statements, both you and the friend you refer will earn $25. Ask a personal banker for more details about our Refer a Friend program, because at FSB, it pays to share. Again, thanks for holding, and thanks for choosing Farmers State Bank.